Have you ever wondered about the capabilities of AI and how far it can go? Well, let's embark on a journey through the evolution of AI, a trip that will take us from its humble beginnings to the cutting-edge technology we marvel at today. It began as a simple idea, a concept of creating machines that could think and learn like us. Over the years, AI has grown exponentially, transforming almost every facet of our lives. In the heart of this evolution are generative pre-trained transformers, or GPTs, as they're fondly known. These intricate models play a crucial role in the AI landscape, taking machine learning to new heights. From the first GPT that introduced us to the potential of AI, to the second and third iterations that enhanced its capabilities, we've come a long way. And now, we stand on the brink of the next big thing, the GPT-4, a titan in the world of AI. Now let's delve deeper into the world of GPT-4. What makes GPT-4 stand out from its predecessors? Well, let's dive into that. Going back in time, we had the original GPT, a transformative model with an ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant sentences. Yet it was constrained by a relatively small model size and limited training data. Along came GPT-2, with a model size nearly 15 times larger than its predecessor. It showed us the power of scale, delivering more nuanced language understanding and text generation capabilities, but it still had its quirks, occasionally losing context in longer conversations or generating text that was creative but not always on point. Enter GPT-3, a behemoth with a model size over 100 times larger than GPT-2. It was a game changer, capable of tasks like translation, question answering, and even basic coding, all without specific training on these tasks. But even this titan had its Achilles heel, sometimes producing responses that were thematically related, but not exactly accurate. Now let's talk about GPT-4. It's like the elder sibling who's learned from the experiences of its predecessors. Its model is even larger, and it's been trained on an unprecedented amount of data. This has resulted in a more comprehensive language understanding, better context awareness, and increased precision in generating human-like text. GPT-4 can keep track of complex, multi-turn conversations with ease. It's capable of understanding nuanced prompts, providing more accurate and contextually relevant responses. The text it generates feels less like it's been churned out by a machine and more like it's been carefully crafted by a human. It's even better at catching subtleties and can adjust its tone and style based on the context, something that its predecessors struggled with. But it's not just about the improvements. The evolution from GPT to GPT-4 is a testament to the power of iterative development, of learning from past challenges and using them as stepping stones towards a more advanced and refined model. Clearly, GPT-4 represents a significant leap forward in AI language models, and it's just the beginning. The journey towards perfect AI language understanding and generation continues. So, what exactly can GPT-4 do? Well, this AI model is like a Swiss Army knife of language processing. It's been trained on an extensive range of internet text, and as a result, it can accomplish a myriad of tasks. Let's delve into some of its key capabilities. Imagine having an assistant that can write detailed essays for you, tailoring the tone and content to your specific needs. That's GPT-4 for you. It doesn't just regurgitate information, it generates unique, coherent, and contextually accurate content. But it doesn't stop there. GPT-4 can also write code. Yes, you heard it right. Give it a description of the program you want, and it can generate the code for you. It's like having a programmer at your fingertips 24/7. Have a complex question? GPT-4 can provide a detailed response, making sense of the intricate webs of context and subtext. It can even translate languages with a sophistication that rivals dedicated translation software. But what about creativity? Can a machine generate art? Well, GPT-4 can certainly generate creative content like poetry and storytelling. It can weave tales and compose verses, bringing a touch of artificial creativity to the table. This AI model's potential applications are vast, stretching across sectors from education to entertainment, from programming to publishing. It's an example of how AI can become a powerful tool in our daily lives. GPT-4 is not just an AI model, it's a revolution in machine learning. But the journey doesn't stop here. What does the future hold for GPT-4? As we gaze into the crystal ball of technological innovation, it's clear that GPT-4 is just warming up. The future possibilities are staggering. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can draft your emails, write reports, and even compose poetry with unparalleled sophistication. Picture a world where GPT-4, with its vast understanding of context and nuance, becomes an indispensable tool in education, healthcare, and countless other industries. But with great power comes great responsibility. While the potential benefits are enormous, it's crucial to address the challenges that lie ahead. We must consider the ethical implications of a technology that can generate content so convincingly. Misuse of this technology could lead to the spread of misinformation or digital impersonation. Hence, a robust regulatory framework will be essential to ensure the responsible use of GPT-4. Another critical aspect is AI literacy. As AI becomes increasingly embedded in our everyday lives, it's vital for everyone to have a basic understanding of what AI can and can't do. This knowledge will empower us to use AI tools like GPT-4 effectively and responsibly, while also helping us to discern the difference between genuine human communication and AI-generated content. The future of GPT-4 is immensely promising, and it's bound to redefine the way we interact with machines. We are standing on the precipice of a new era, and the view from here is nothing short of breathtaking.